my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and I love decluttering, organizing, and cleaning, and today we're going to be deep cleaning my entire kitchen and eat-in dining area. We're going to be wiping everything down, getting everything nice and clean. We're even going to clean inside our appliances and just get it looking good. I am excited to get started.
I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh,
I already cleaned out the inside of the cabinets. If you've not checked out my kitchen declutter video that went up just the other day, I'll link it up above and down below so you guys can go check that out too.
'cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
I've seen it before. It turns truth into lies. Oh, but I won't back down. I must stay on this road. I gotta know what I'm about. It goes up and turns back down. We're all looking for the moment when getting
one of the dishes I was getting ready to bake, and shredded cheese spilled everywhere in the bottom of my oven. Well, now it's just a burnt, dried on mess, so I'm going to be using my self-cleaning setting on my oven, which I've never used before, so I'm excited to see how it's going to work. I am raising a window, turning the microwave vent on just to ventilate the room because the oven does get very, very hot. All right, 4 hours later, this is what our oven looks like. I think it looks pretty good. I just have to wipe it out and clean it, but it completely got rid of that burnt on cheese that would have taken me days to scrub out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I have a nice clean kitchen. There's just something about having a clean kitchen. It makes the whole house feel cleaner, I think. So I hope this video gave you guys lots of motivation to get your to-do list done today. I will see you guys next time. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I will see you next time. Say bye.
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 I just need you to